everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Debbie and this is my crafty den, and it's Friday and I haven't had a haul or any Happy Mail to share on a Friday for quite some time because I've been away. And I had something waiting in the mail for me when I got home, and I'm so excited. I've pulled the tab. This is from Ninny's Napkins, and I'm an affiliate of her for her business. The woman sells the most gorgeous napkins ever. I mean, she gets them from all over the place, all around the world, and has the most amazing collection of napkins for people that want to use them in their artwork, in their journals, in their DIYs. Napkins are fabulous to Mod Podge onto just about, or to decoupage, actually, not Mod Podge because that's a product, but to decoupage onto almost any surface. And she has been getting lately into some craft supplies that are hard to get for us as well, just to make it a little easier for us here in Canada. And she's got some amazing supplies that she can hook us up with. And now she has sent me a variety of pages of a new product that she got. These are tear resistant tissue. And this stuff is supposed to be UV resistant, so it won't fade in the light. And it is supposed to be really hard to tear. And so, which means you can get it wet and you can manipulate it, which is really amazing. And she has so many different pictures and patterns and beautiful images in this product, as well as it comes in sizes, in small sheets, in very small sheets, and you can get them in like this size, a little bit bigger than this, I believe, all the way up to the size of a door. So if you want an image on a door, if you wanted to Mod Podge an image onto a door, sorry, I said it again, that Mod Podge word. But if you wanted to decoupage an image onto a door, then she has the product that you use to get that image on there. So let's open this up and see what she has sent me. She got me to go through and just pick some of the images that I liked. I can't even remember what I got now. So this is what I ordered. And so I'll just set this here so I can compare. So this is what she has sent me. So these are in, so each one is in its own protective plastic cover. These images, oh my gosh, these images. And here are some, oh, these are the smaller ones, I think. My gosh, guys, these images, I can tell already that these images are amazing. So here's another image, and I don't think I ordered this one. This is a butterfly, but I'm pretty sure that the one that I ordered, yeah, this isn't the one that I ordered. This is different. So this is a freebie, and it has a little bit of information here. So Ninny's Napkins and her beautiful little butterfly logo that she uses. It says new tear resistant tissue, no more rips or wrinkles. Oh my gosh, can you imagine putting this onto a glass surface, and when you're brushing it out and not having to worry about it tearing or wrinkling? And it is, I'm going to just do it here. I can't tear it that way, guys. And I can tear it a little bit this way. So I can tear it this way with the grain. I cannot tear it this way. So this is supposed to be fabric-like as compared to paper. And it does feel like a fabric. It does feel like a fabric. I mean, it handles like a starched piece of thin fabric. This is very thin. So I love this image. Now let me get something. I'm just going to bring this back so that I can put it down here and you guys can see the images as well as I can. Because on a white background, the images show up a little better. So there's that one. That's absolutely gorgeous. So thank you very, very much for this. This image itself is beautiful, and I can see me using this on a journal page. I think I'm going to use this on a journal page just because it's so gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And it's something that I'd like to look back and see often. Or maybe I'll come up with another project for it. As soon as I heard about this, my mind started reeling, and I started thinking about things that I could use this for, especially because it's fade resistant. Yeah. So, which means that I can put this up and display it, and it's not going to fade away if the sun comes in the window and shines on it. Which I think is going to be beautiful. So enough of me just admiring this sample piece. Let's get on to the things that I actually picked out. So I chose 2 sizes. I chose the large size. I chose 3 of the large sized images. 1, 2, 3, and I chose 3 of the medium-sized images as well. Aren't they gorgeous? So let's take these out one at a time and look at them. I'm just wondering if I'll be able to get them back in because they are a fabric type, so they're really floppy and thin. But I guess it doesn't matter if I can't get them back in anyway. So let's take these out. My gosh, guys. So this image is .5 inches wide. And it is about 16 inches long. So the large is about almost 12 by 16. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. This image is stunning. Can't see it all, but I'm going to kind of move it up so that you get the whole there. Isn't she gorgeous? She's absolutely gorgeous. So when I chose these, I kind of had an idea for each one for a project. So that's that one. And you can find these all. Just go to ninniesnapkins.ca and you'll find her business. You can link right there to her page, and she has an Etsy shop as well. So this is muted, but I have it upside down. So there, look at this, guys. Look at this image. This is the same size as the other one. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. So beautiful. So that's the second image that I ordered. Once again, that's the back. And there's the front. So I ordered this. Now this almost looks like a piece that's been pieced together, or a piece of artwork, like a mixed media artwork. This has layers in depth. So the lighthouse and the birds seem to pop up the top. And then there's this image of this leaf here and the writing in the background. And then to the forefront is the waves and the writing, but the writing, you can't see it very well, but the writing, you can see it continues all the way down to the bottom, like it's been done in layers, and then the waves were put on top of it. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to have to be shopping for some stuff to be able to do what I want to do with those larger images. I'm going to put those papers back there, and I am going to show you the smaller images. And I'm not going to take these all out because I don't think I'm going to be using them all right away. But this image there, I'm just trying to get it so that there's no glare. So this image is the same thing. It's like a mixed media art piece. And you can see the stamping and the butterfly and, you know, more stamped images in here. And then it says create. And there's writing in the background again, like I said. And yeah, this is beautiful. There you go. This is really pretty. So there's that one. And then there's that one. There. Beautiful, beautiful roses on a black background. And then there's this one. And this one is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the coloring of the sunset in this one. And it says in the writing in this one, it says, when I look at you, it makes my heart overwhelmed with love flowing from my spirit through my itty bitty tiny veins. The glow that your face gives when I look into your eyes as I stare at you, it's like your love for me spells out in the air, spills out in the air, saying, baby, I will always be there. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So I'd like to do something with that for Valentine's Day with that one. Oh, and I didn't measure these. So let me measure these because this is the medium size. If you go to her page to order, this is the medium size. And this is just shy of 11. It's 10 3/4. The actual image, 10 3/4 by 8.5. So yeah, just a bit of a guideline. Let me stop. I'm trying to get this there. I was just trying to get those untangled because they're taped together at the top and I had them tangled into a mess. So I'm pretty sure that Nicole has the sizes for everything up on her page. And I'm positive she does. I'm positive she does. And she ships from Ontario, Canada, which is great for us people in Canada because there's so few places where we can get quality items. And I'm talking quality, everything that she has that I have got from her in the last 2 years is quality. I haven't been upset with a single product that I've gotten from her. Her shipping is always really nice. It's very prompt. And yeah, it's just amazing. So thumbs up, Nicole. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. And I'm so happy that I can be an affiliate for your business. And I will definitely be things are so hectic for me right now, but as soon as possible, I will be getting at some art projects and some DIY projects for these pieces of beautiful tissue fabric. Whatever this stuff is, it's just so amazing. I'm just so thrilled with it. I'm so thrilled with, I mean, it's got such a funny feel to it, but it doesn't feel, it's not delicate. Like, it's not delicate. And I think it's going to be absolutely great to work with. Also, if you go to ninniesnapkins.ca, there's a video that shows how you can put this on. You can use any decoupage glues, things like that that you use for regular decoupage. You can also adhere this on with a polyacrylic finish, like a polyacrylic product for furniture. So yeah, guys, you can put these on furniture. Like I said, you can put it on a door. You could put them on furniture. You could put them on a piece of glass. Oh, I can't even think. I can't even think. The ideas are endless. So plates, the clear plates from the dollar store, these would be perfect images to decoupage onto the back of the clear plates, you know, for that great piece for the wall. Yeah. So I'm going to try some different things. I'm going to try to come up with a different project for each of these images that I got for all 7 of them, because I got this little bonus that I wasn't expecting. And so pretty. So pretty. And it's just my thing. I love this. I love this. So if she has different ones of this, I'm not sure. And she chose this for me. She did a great job. So just saying. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. By all means, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do that now before you do anything else. And I will see everybody in the next video. Stay safe, everybody. And bye-bye for now.